Go like that. Ready? Here we go again.
What'd you do?
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah.
Was that cool?
Let's do it one more time.
Ow.
Come on, bring it back up here.
Gonna go one more time?
Come on, Mr. Tanner. Bring it back up here. Bring it up
Their
here.
stairs are steep.
Yeah, he sails down that sucker, man.
You can't stand down there in the way. You'll get knocked out.
I'm surprised he didn't hit the wall.
I really had to watch when I was going down.
Oh, Tanner, go
four
Raven
times.
was showing me around.
You can go 4 times. Come on, Mr. Tanner.
Just watch right there. Watch.
Watch, brother.
Oh, no.
Come on.
They're saving the rail, dear.
All right.
When you get in, Trey, say ready, set, go.
No, not
Oh, no, honey. The other way.
Sit over here.
He's like, ready,
I'm
go.
ready, because I'm going to fall on my head anyway.
Ready? He's gonna, because that last time it almost caught. But we'll see.
Hold on for dear life, kiddo.
Sit for a little bit. Lean back. Ready?
This is the last time. This is it. The box will be broken after this.
Oh, watch out. Here he comes.
Ready?
That was like fun. You have a sled?
Yeah.
We should get a sled. We should all do it. You have a sled?
No.
Yeah.
We
He
have.
said 4 times. 4 times.
It's gonna be broken soon. Tracy wants to do it. Can Tracy do it?
One more? No, you said. Oh, man.
Way to go,